In the heart of Bangladesh, there is a rhythm, a pulse of life found in its thousands of village markets, or hats. This is Golakandale, a place where commerce and community have woven together for generations. And amidst this vibrant chaos, a sound has remained constant, the gentle hum of a sewing machine. For 60 years, over half a century, one man has sat in this very spot. His name is a part of the market's history. While the world outside embraced fast fashion and disposable culture, his trade has remained the same: to mend, to repair, to give old things a new life. His machine, a relic from a bygone era, has been his steadfast partner. Together they have stitched not just torn clothes, but the very fabric of this community. This machine and I, we understand each other. We have seen the seasons change year after year. It asks for nothing but a little oil and my hands. Every piece of clothing that comes to him carries a story: a son's favorite shirt, a father's work tunic, a blanket that has warmed a family through cold winters. In a world that often forgets, his work is an act of preservation. He sees beyond the fabric to the memories held within the threads. A new shirt is easy to buy, but to fix an old one, that keeps a memory alive. That has more value. This is what I do. I help people hold on to their stories. 60 years at a single task. It's a testament to a life of dedication, of finding purpose in the humble and the necessary. In the quiet corner of a Bangladeshi market, one man reminds us that a life's work isn't always about building something new, but about carefully mending what is broken, one stitch at a time.
এই যে গলার মধ্যে কি লাগাইছে দেখছে ওয়ালাইকুম সালাম।
কি অবস্থা, কেমন আছেন?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
কত বছর যাবত এই বাজারে আপনি এই সেলাই কাজ করতেছেন?
60।
60 বছর? ছোটবেলা থেকে তাহলে?
হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা, একটা শার্ট প্যান্ট চাপানো কত টাকা নেন ফিটিং করলে?
30, 40, 50।
30, 40, 50? 50 টাকা দেয়? এত টাকা দেয়?
হ্যাঁ, রাজা না।
এখন যে এই কাজটা করতেছেন এটা কত টাকা নেব?
কোন এটা? এইটা 40, 45 টাকা।
40, 45 টাকা?
আনোয়ারি ভাগুনদা?
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ।
তোর বাম বাড়ি গেছো?
আপনার বাড়ি কই?
ইটবাড়ি। এই বাজার